If you want to change the language in the CapCut app, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to switch CapCut to your preferred language step by step so you can keep editing comfortably and understand every menu with no confusion. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple app tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open the CapCut app on your device. Once you're inside, look for the menu icon, which usually appears as 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner or sometimes the top right corner, depending on your version of the app. Tap that menu to open the settings area. From there, select settings. This is where CapCut keeps all the app preferences, including display and language options. After that, look for the General tab. Tap General and then find the language option. This is the setting that controls which language CapCut uses across the app interface. Now tap Language and you'll see a list of available languages. Scroll through the list and choose the one you want to use. Once you've selected your preferred language, tap Save to confirm the change. In some cases, CapCut will ask you to restart the app so the new language can fully apply. If that happens, just close the app and open it again. After the restart, CapCut should now display in your chosen language. This makes it much easier to navigate the app, edit videos, and find the tools you need without guessing. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language in CapCut. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy how-to guide.